So you've landed on this video because you're wondering if you should post YouTube Shorts on the same channel as your long-form content, especially when it comes to YouTube automation or something called cash cow channels. So I'm going to be answering that question for you. But before we begin, I do want to invite you to watch my free masterclass training where I go over how to make passive income in 90 videos or less by posting faceless videos. So do check out that in the link in the description below after this video. So when it comes to starting to whether to think about starting short-form content on your current YouTube channel, you have to ask yourself, what audience are you attracting? Or in other words, is the audience in which the shorts you're posting the same audience that's gonna watch your long form content videos? That's something very clear that you have to ask yourself, simply because I've tested this out myself, in which just because I started posting sports shorts on my long form content, which is posting sports news content, that doesn't necessarily mean the same thing, simply because people who are interested in shorts aren't necessarily also interested in long form content. So that's a question that you have to carefully ask yourself, in which the content that you're posting, shorts, is it the same type of audience that you're going to be attracting that's going to watch your long form content? The mistake I made, as I've said before, is that I had a long form content channel within the sports niche, and I started posting short form content still in sports onto that channel. Now, needless to say, I was thinking that I was attracting the same audience, but that actually wasn't the case. It turns out that the people who are actually interested in my short form content weren't that interested in the long form content as well. So for that reason, I decided to stop posting short form content and just segregate the two. Now I have a channel dedicated to short form content, and I have a channel dedicated to long form content. When it comes to your channel, whether it's a film channel, faceless channel, YouTube automation channel, if you truly believe that the audience that your shorts are attracting is the same type of audience who's going to be interested in your long form content, then yes, I would recommend posting shorts onto that channel as well. But don't think it's just that easy to say, just because you're posting shorts within the same niche, that isn't necessarily the case to say that people who are interested in short form content are the same people who are also interested in long form content. So to simply answer, if you're attracting the same audience, yes, but if you're not attracting the same audience, then separate the two. If you enjoyed this video, do check out the rest of my channel for more videos related to how to grow on YouTube, especially through faceless videos or something called YouTube automation channels. I'll see you all in the next video.